Hello, my name is Yani Megawati Sutanto. I'm from Visual Communication Design Program of Universitas Ciputra, Surabaya. I'm here to present my paper, Illustration as a Cross-Cultural Storytelling Media, Case Study on Folktales of Indonesia and Taiwan book for the Bandung Creative Movement 2021. Every culture in the world passes down stories from generation to generation. Indonesia has several forms of oral cultures, such as pupuh, carita pantun, pamali, and folktales. These stories shape society and serve as moral guides. Unfortunately, with the rise of modern pop culture, the younger generation are no longer familiar with their cultural heritage and their local folktales. As one of the pioneers of the global animation industry, Disney Studio has tried to adapt local culture from various countries around the world as an animated movies. One of the most famous Disney production is Moana in the year 2016. Inspired by Polynesian culture, Moana was an exemplary success both critically and commercially. It managed to convey the various aspects of Polynesian culture into the big screen. Since animation is a series of illustration in a sequence to simulate movement, this means that illustration is a potential media to introduce folktales for the younger generation. In light of that trend, Visual Communication Design Department of Universitas Ciputra Surabaya and Taiyah University Taiwan initiate the creation of Folktales of Indonesia and Taiwan. This research will use that book as a study to determine whether an illustration are effective media for cross-cultural storytelling. The book will be measured from its visual clarity and narrative clarity. The main focus of this research are visual clarity, which will be assessed from the illustrations. As we know, illustration is one of the manifestations of visual communication design that help describe the action and characters that were previously only described through oral and written media. A good illustration can help readers to recognize the following things: important character of the story, the setting and cultural background of a story, object and other important artifacts that have role in the story, mythical animals, important event, and the main theme of a story. This research shows that although users agree that the illustration in the folktale book help them to identify the characters, object, mythical animal, and theme of the story, they also criticize that the illustration need to be more accurate so readers can identify the setting and understand important events that occur in the folktales more clearly. For example, this illustration of Telaga Warna by Chua Sin Peng from Taiyah University, Taiwan, and Tigress Witch by Gilbert from Universitas Ciputra, Indonesia. The Telaga Warna illustration depicts the character of a jewelry craftsman in Kutatataguhan Kingdom. However, from this example, it is clear that there are no visual elements and details such as pattern, ornaments, artifacts, and utensils that indicate that this character is a goldsmith who originated from West Java. While the Tigress Witch illustration by Gilbert trying to show an event in the story where the Tigress Witch has captured one of the main characters. However, this example, you can see there is no clear indication of when and where this event occurred. The depiction of the event is also very vague and merely symbolic. After analyzing the data gathered from interviews with book users from both countries, this research concludes that illustration is a good media for cross-cultural storytelling. Users from different cultural backgrounds and different countries can still grasp all the moral and social value in the stories. However, in order to use illustration effectively as a cultural storytelling media, an extensive research needs to be done during the design phase, especially when designer tries to depict local elements such as costume, accessories, artifacts, and mythical creatures. With proper research and visual references, illustration could be a bridge that gap between the readers and the foreign culture described inside the folktale. Thank you for your time.